Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an installation and wig review of this curly wig from Luvme Hair. This is going to be a glueless install, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. I wanted to make sure that you guys got a really good look at the curl pattern up close, as well as how beautiful this lace is. This wig did come pre-plucked and tinted. It has two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and a really cool adjustable strap to make sure that the installation is as flat as possible. As you can see, this lace is beautiful. Look at how my hand is just blending in with that lace. Oh, I cannot wait to put this on my head. So I went ahead and cut the lace off, and as you can see, that lace is just melting right into my skin. I didn't put any makeup on this unit or anything like that. I'm just using the Dew Mousse to define the curls. I love using mousse on curly units just because it gives me a really good definition on the curls without leaving it crunchy or, you know, sticky, nothing like that. And it dries very, very fast. I only got a little bit of shedding with this unit, and that's normal. I mean, I would get shedding with my own curly hair, and I ended up taking off this wig cap just because I didn't really need it. But it's up to you, personal preference, if you decide to wear one. I didn't cut down this installation portion at all, so this is exactly how long it took me to install this wig, which is only about a minute.
Like Mr. Friendly, and still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie, and for them fake movies I paid them bitches. Get your own. I got Peppers, he got Nicky, he tried to get him a clone.
All right, let's go ahead and get into the review portion of this video.
To the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus needs. Can I please stay my peace? If I fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like the beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of beat rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my lady, then I can. Maybe I'm selfish.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Autumn. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscription button down below. That way you don't miss out on any of my next uploads. Today's video, if you can't already tell, is going to be a wig review from Luvme Hair. Thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. I definitely am so appreciative. But you know, we don't hold any bars over here on this channel, so this will be 100% honest review. If you're interested in this unit, just keep on watching. I'm gonna insert some clips of me installing this wig. It was a very easy installation. At the beginning, you'll see me with the wig cap under this wig, but I did end up taking it off just because I didn't like how it looked underneath. And honestly, this wig is pre-plucked and it's bleached, so I can just go ahead and put this over my braids or whatever I have underneath my wig, and I'm good to go. This install literally took me like 3 to 5 minutes to do, so it's perfect for when you're rushing to work or when you're rushing to school, or you just, you know, you want to look really fast. I'm sorry if you guys hear the fan. We don't have air conditioning in San Diego at our apartment, and so it's hot and I don't want to be sweating throughout this video, so we turn the fan off. And get into the specs for this wig. So this is the kinky curly neck length 5x5 undetectable lace wig with a natural hairline, and I definitely think that's so true. You let me know in the comments below if you think this looks, I feel like it's giving scalp, and it's glueless. You know, this is my second glueless unit from Luvme Hair, and honestly, they have it on lock with these glueless units. They're so easy to install. You don't have to worry about glue for the summertime when it's super hot. You don't have to worry about any adhesives, no got to be, no nothing. You just throw on the wig, put on the adjustable straps, and go. It's so easy. With this unit, they did send over a little bit of like a care package. It had an edge brush, a little mirror. Let me grab it for you guys. It came in this little package, and it has, this is a little mirror, a edge scarf, which they include with all of their wigs, and they included this cute little edge brush so you can kind of like swoop down your edges. I love when I get little goodies with my wigs. It's such a cute little surprise. So yeah, like I said, I am gonna insert the clips of me installing this wig just so you guys can see how easy it is. This wig is, I believe, 14 inches. I don't know, I gotta check. I'll put the information down in the information box below. It is pre-plucked, it is bleached, it's a natural like black or brown color. And I did put mousse on this wig. You're gonna see that in the styling clips. I love using mousse on my curly wigs just because it gives me the perfect amount of definition without making the wig crunchy or hard. Like, do you see how still soft and bouncy the unit is? I want to keep that texture without putting like gel or anything on it, just so I can have a really like carefree install. Now the lace on this wig is 5x5 and it is Swiss lace. So it is like a more brown, hard lace, but it blends into the skin so beautifully. This wig also is 180% density. It is very, very full for 180%. It's very natural looking. Like, I called my mom when I first put this wig on and she was like, girl, is that your hair? And I'm like, yeah. Luvme Hair is having a huge blowout sale, so don't miss out, you guys. The prices will not be this low again for a while. I'm gonna make sure that I have all the links to this wig down in the description box below, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. You know I'd love to talk to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.